shuts the ever-loving up. You know. Hello, my kings, queens, and everything in between, my royals. Today, we're gonna get into flying, and we're gonna get into some live stages from them. Okay, I do have for literally anything K-pop. Like I always make sure. Well, I at least always try to make sure that I make a playlist for like whether it be like newest or flying, like Stray Kids, like. Always make playlists for whenever I do reactions relating to them. So I'm pretty sure I have it like linked somewhere up on the screen so that you can keep up with videos if you missed any. But this video in particular is from a lovely royal who sent this in. This is a essentially like a playlist of Flying live performances that they've done live on Unplugged version. The whole video itself is 46 minutes long, but what I am going to do is because I want to like break these up into parts, you know, because I don't want the whole video to be like too long, you know. So it says the first one that they're going to be performing is a song called Songbird. So hold on, let me make this a full screen. I don't think there's captions, you know. Let me make sure my quality is up. Okay, 720, that's fine. 720 is good. Okay. All right. Let's go. I'm dead. I hate when it does that. Songbird, Korean version. I'm assuming they did the Japanese. Already, them doing like that, and then hearing the guitar riff along with them. I love that. It did something for me. I'm sorry. I had to point that out. I had to.
Really the forwards, not all it is. Time to go. Take it easy. Let me breathe deeply right now. Hey, 두려워하지 마. 거친 바람에서 있다 해도 힘만 있어 해. Don't be afraid of mistake. Tell me what you think. 누굴 위한 삶일까? The stars lies on you. 내가 뜨면 굳은 날개 펼쳐 자유롭게 날아올라. 또 새롭게 만나게 될 거야. Another place. You bring me up, you bring me down. 조금은 두려워도 멜로디 never end. 어디까지라도 carry on. Spread my wing, light up the wind. 너를 위해 노래하는 새. I am always with you. 걱정하지 마, you are not alone. Somebody to me, somebody to you. Just say 들리니 this is 마지막한 소리가 마음을 몇 번이고 꺼서 불러 내게 닿을 곳에 자유롭게 날아올라. 또 새롭게 만나게 될 거야. Another place. You bring me up, you bring me down. 조금은 두려워도 널 위한 멜로디 You never end. 어디까지라도 carry on. Spread my wing, light up the wind. 너를
I was not ready. Was not ready. Lord. Okay.
속에 You bring me up, don't let me down 조금은 두려워도 변하지 않는 꿈 It's everything 우리 함께라도 난 믿어 No one can stop to overflow Here we go 아득한 곳에 갇혀진 길 우리들만을 without a space You bring me up, let's go with me 너는 두렵지 않아 널 위한 멜로디 It never ends 끝나지 않아 never fade out But once more again There's more than words 울려 퍼지는 노래 속에 Sing it!
Yes. Come on, drums. Come on. Okay, because it was like about to go into the next song. Yes. Listen. If I ever get to see Flying in concert, just know that my soul will ascend to the highest of the heavens, because I won't be well. And this is my first time hearing this song, Moonshot. Beautiful song. I love it. I love it so much. Oh, I love it. So, like how I said, I'm not gonna do like all of these in like one video. So the next like in another video, I don't know why I can't talk. They got me messed up. Okay, in another video, I'll be reacting to the next song in this, which is Moonshot, for what I see there. And I'll make sure to make like a playlist of these videos of like a playlist of me specifically reacting to like the Flying live on Unplugged like performances. But yes, that is it for this video. Again, if you have a reaction request, you can submit it in the Google form link in the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this from me. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the song. Also, let me know like what you think about the song, performances. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.